Hey guys, the Femiclone archive here, and today I'm going to make a video. Yep, a video after so long, after a very long time of not uploading. 3 years. That's been a really long time. But here I am, finally back with a new video, and one that you guys will definitely like. So, taking out of these bots is the very elusive PolyStation itself, even trademarked. So yeah, this is a basic system. You can see there's the power, you can see there's the reset, and this also is the thing that opens up the lid to show the cartridge slot, where you can pop in your Famicom cartridges or NES if you got an adapter. So yeah, there's the controller ports. There's on the bottom you can see the grips molded into plastic, the QC Pass sticker, certified electric label, and the power information, and there's the vents. So you might be wondering, what is inside one of those systems? The PolyStation itself, not any other system. Well, I'm going to show you the answer. There you have it. So that's what it looks like inside. So you can see the thing is pretty hollow. Only a limited amount of the space is actually used. So this is the power button, pretty nice click. This is the reset, and this is a controller port and that PCB. So these are the standard Famiclone ports, and I think there's supposed to be an LED. I think that's a spot for an LED, maybe. I'm not sure, but it's interesting. And this is the connections board. So yeah, it's pretty interesting to look at. And this is I think this is the system itself and the cartridge slot. It actually has a blob under it if you wanted to know, so I'm just unscrewing that real quick to show you. So it's a pretty interesting thing. So as I said, there's the blob, the underside of this board. So yeah. And this is the upper side of it. You can see there's the cartridge hole. These things that make it help it open and hold the thing closed. And this is a pretty interesting thing. So there's this little thing that when you press it, it actually moves the spring up. So it actually makes the lid open, and this is a different one from the ones I've seen. So yeah, that's it for this video. It's a pretty interesting little system. So it's a Famiclone, so it plays Famicom or NES games, as you already know. And it works with the controllers or a light gun. These are not the original ones. It came without any controllers, but I had those in hand, so it looks pretty good with it. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope this helped you with something, and see you.